Okay, so we're going to be discussing Cash Network in this video, which is one of the top affiliate networks which pays out almost $100 million a year to affiliate marketers. And I'm going to show you how you can make money, how you can get Cash Network to pay you no matter what country you're from, even if it's Sri Lanka, no matter what age you are, even if you're 3 years old, you can get paid by this affiliate network. Please comply by all local labor laws. And I'll be walking you through this network from the inside perspective, showing you how to get your offer links, how to work with your affiliate managers, and I'll also be discussing some more advanced terms such as cost to consumer, co-reg, and smart link, so that you can be better prepared for understanding the ecosystem, the amazing multi-billion dollar ecosystem that is affiliate marketing. I'll also be giving away some special resources towards the end, such as I'll be going through a case study of how one of my students who posted in made a lot of money in the weight loss industry, and how you can get access to this community as well as get access to these affiliate networks that I'm talking about. So stay tuned, strap in, and let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and make sure you watch every second of this video. Don't miss a beat. I'm going to be going through Cash Network. I'm going to be going through the inside of it. And if you want to follow along, or if you want to apply for Cash Network and join it, make sure you sign up on this page, okay? Go to johncrestani.com/networks, and you can get a full listing of all of the affiliate networks that I've reviewed. You can see all the videos right here, and you can see a breakdown of what countries they accept and all that jazz. I get a lot of marketers saying that they aren't, able to market in their country. Well, you're wrong. All of these networks right here accept people from any country all over the world, and you can apply for as many networks as you want. So there's a lot of options out there for everybody to promote. Also, I'll be showing you a really interesting case study from the weight loss industry, how one of my students was able to put up an ad in the weight loss space and make a lot of money from it. And I'll be walking you through that case study and how you can get access to our affiliate marketing community as well. And if you're excited, make sure you put a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell. I'll show you exactly how everything is done. So let's get into Cash Network right here. So after you've applied for Cash Network, and as you see, you can sign up right here, apply as an affiliate. And once you're in, you will see a screen that looks sort of like this. So they have some hot offers, new offers. I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm assuming that if, just promote the hot offer. Okay, if you just want to go for the best offer. Really, it doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you take action. My grandpa used to say, you catch more fish if you're out on the boat fishing than if you're sitting on your couch watching TV. And the same is true of affiliate marketing, is that if you're sitting on the couch watching videos, you're not going to make much money. Whereas if you are out there actually doing marketing, you can actually start making money. And you can find all that information once you subscribe to my channel and you go to the free traffic methods playlist. But I'll go more about that later on. Okay, so inside Cash Network, let's look at how we get our offers. So we would scroll over here to where it says offers, and this is how you find products that you can link to and sell and market, and if people buy, you get money. Okay, you will get money from these affiliate networks. Now you would click on offers, and you can see there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot of offers in Cash Network. For instance, we have, 1,000 prepaid Visa gift card, and you will get $2.40 if you can get somebody to sign up to get a free Visa gift card. Okay. Now, what they're best known for, Cash Network, is BizOp, or what's also known as business opportunity products. Business opportunity is really what I sell. It's the niche I'm in affiliate marketing, where I teach people how to make money. I teach people how they can create an income for themselves. And business opportunity is the same thing. People learning how to make money through real estate, through stock trading, through marketing, through network marketing, through sales, or other various methods. Okay, and you'll see here's one of the offers here. You'll see automatic home profits. So now the unfortunate thing here is it says today's revenue, and they don't actually have this listed for any of the offers here. And that would be a really cool statistic to see. But unfortunately, it's probably a little bit too much competitive intelligence for businesses. But this network is paying out roughly $100 million to affiliates every single year. So it's a pretty big one. Now let's look at the prepaid gift card, for instance. So this is in the survey or sweepstakes category. And what we'll see is we can see a preview URL for this offer right there, which will allow us to see what is the affiliate page that you would link to, okay? Now, the page is taking a while to load, but as you can see, what this is this is basically an offer that offers people a free Visa gift card for entering in their information. And what this company is really doing is they're just collecting information. They give you some information down here, such as, they only are accepting people from the US. They're only going to pay out if people fill out these forms from the US, and it only converts on single opt-in. Again, you can promote this from any country, anywhere in the world, and make the payout right over here, which is $2.40. Also, they tell you about the restricted traffic types. So they say no co-reg. Now what co-reg is co-registration. And what co-registration means is that you are telling people to sign up for multiple things. So it would be an example with that is lose weight today, buy product A, B, C, D, and E, and use them all together, right? In this case, you're asking people to sign up for 5 different products. That is called co-registration because you're getting people for 5 different products. And the reason why companies don't like that is because if somebody signs up for 5 products, then they're likely going to not be a very good customer for any of them. Likely they won't rebill, they won't stay on recurring, revenue or buy, because they're being bombarded. I know students of mine in my super affiliate system, which is my training course, which costs $2,000. If students of mine are going through 4 other programs, they just are not successful because they're trying to do 5 things at once. Or another example is men who try to date 5 women at once are probably not going to be very successful with any of those women, or maybe they are if you get 5 dates. I don't know. But the point being, it just makes for a lower quality of customer. So that's what co-registration is. It's just a marketing tactic. Smart Link is the next thing. I think I already talked about cost to consumer, but cost to consumer means what does the product actually cost the consumer. Now let's get into Smart Link, which is actually one of the best ways to promote on the Cash network. And you'll see when you are, here, let's get back here. You'll see there's a section that says Smart Links right here, okay? Now, the offers in the Smart Links area are going to be the top performing offers in the entire network. And you'll see they have 4 different offers in Western Tier 1 countries, which is the US, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. These 5 countries are, some of the best countries for just making money, period. And all of these products, it would rotate these 4 or 5 products if you use their Smart Link, okay? And that's a good thing for you because this tells you that these 5 products are probably the best. And also you get to figure out which offers are the best, whether it's Profit Point Autonomy, Website ATM, Cash Money System, Website Profit Pro, or Home Cash Flow Shortcut. Now you'll notice that if you get people from overseas going to your links, they will be sent to Bitcoin Loophole or Crypto Wealth. Now, I do have a big problem with crypto and these sorts of crypto offers is they are essentially thievery. Really, they are thievery. And I don't endorse these sorts of offers. What the individuals here do is they literally just drain people's bank accounts and they offer affiliates very, very, very high payouts. $500 just for somebody's information, okay? So again, these offers are extremely aggressive. I have moral problems with the promotion of these sorts of offers, but unfortunately they are a stalwart in the affiliate marketplace because they pay out so much money. But keep in mind that if you promote these products, you are essentially endorsing thievery. and that's really not good. The US has banned these sorts of offers. Even companies of thieves are scared to advertise in the US these sorts of offers because they'll get taken down by, like the military or something. Financial crime is prosecuted very, very, very hard in the US. In order to promote these products, you would get your tracking link. You'd go over here to where it says tracking link, and you would click tracking link, and here you go. You have your tracking link right there. I don't think this site will open in the US, but let's see if it does. Yeah, so it's just gonna redirect to some make money online offer. So you see, and this is kind of what your links will go to. Again, these are very aggressive programs. These offers at the end of the funnel usually teach something similar to affiliate marketing. Yeah, they're usually teaching something similar to affiliate marketing, but the training isn't as good as Super Affiliate System. Or you could buy it yourself and see. So that's that for smart links. Again, postback, some of these other things are very advanced. Now, if you think these videos are too advanced, let me know in the comments if this is too advanced. If you'd like me to keep doing affiliate network walkthroughs, let me know if you'd like me to keep doing that. Or if you just like me to focus on some simpler things. Again, there's all my free traffic videos are on my channel. Now, I'm going to share with you some resources. Again, if you'd like to apply for Cash Network, you can join, you can get this access to my network sheet by going to this URL right here, johncrestani.com/networks. And that will bring you to this sheet where you can apply for all of the different affiliate networks that I recommend. Now, my top recommended one is Digistore, but there are many other networks out there that you can apply for. Most of the networks that accept all countries do also require approval, so you will need to get approved. And in order to get approved, if you want more help on how to get approved to affiliate networks, go down to my resources tab right down there, click that, and make sure you click this link, how to get accepted as an affiliate. If you're watching this on a mobile phone, shame on you, get a computer, save up for a computer. You're really not gonna go very far online or in life, making money on the internet if you don't have a computer. So focus on saving up for a computer, do whatever you can do. Anybody in any country around the world can find somebody with a computer. Okay, or if you don't know somebody, find somebody and just tell them you'll pay them money when you start making money. I also suggest you get access to my affiliate community on Discord. So my affiliate community on Discord is right there. My free software, by the way, is right here. I'm not going to explain it too much because I'm going to go into a case study from my affiliate marketing community on Discord. So here we are in the affiliate marketing community. When you first join, it'll ask you, it'll say, accept your invite to the John Crestani forums. It looks something like this. Just accept the invite and continue on to Discord. And you'll see different channels for all of the different types of ways to make money. There's general discussion, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, Amazon money-making apps, and there's also an area where you can share your success. Now, please don't message me asking me to, be your mentor or something like that, or asking me for money. Usually I block your messages like that just without even seeing them, but you can help yourself. Again, this is capitalism. There are a lot of students sharing success stories. Here's a really interesting post from Heart Hacker. Wrote a mini post yesterday, and he says, yesterday itself, within 24 hours, I got 38 clients, okay? He says, I give them a piece of knowledge about weight loss, and then I recommend a product for them to buy, okay? So here's the post, very good post. Overweight? Just DM me and I will make sure you lose weight within 3 months naturally without any products for any fee. First 20 people DM me. Now, and how he makes money is he then takes everybody who messages him and he tells them that he recommends that the way to lose weight is to buy some sort of product, and he gives them an affiliate link. That is a really smart way to do affiliate marketing. Makes sense, right? And you can see his page here, which is pretty cool. So that works. And he says he's been making, bam, 6 sales this week. Now that's an additional, if we do the math, let's bring up the calculator. Where's our handy calculator? $50 a sale times 6 sales, that's an extra $300 he just made in a week. And people are sharing all sorts of stuff like this in the group, in the forum, and you can get access to that forum once again by clicking on the link in the description or by clicking on the link in the resource file, again, in the networks file, resources, under the affiliate community area, right? So again, make sure you're using a computer. I know most of you are using mobile phones. I'm telling you, that's dumb. Don't use a mobile phone, use a computer. Get yourself on a computer if you want to make money. If you're on a mobile phone, there's almost 100% likelihood you aren't going to take any action on anything. If I just called you out, type in John just called me out. Also, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'm starting to do live stream Q&A sessions every single Monday where I'm going to answer your questions live. But I hope these videos have been helpful for you. I'm starting to run out of ideas of what to shoot videos on because I've done a video every day the last year and a half. But if you have ideas for what you'd like me to talk about next in my future videos, or if you'd like me to focus more walkthroughs of affiliate networks like this, tell me what helps you out the most. I can't do any more free traffic videos because I've covered all of the different ways of getting free traffic. And the free traffic methods are at the bottom of my channel after you subscribe. Hope this helps. Looking forward to helping you guys make money. Once again, if you get success, make sure you send me a video testimonial or post about it in the forum. I love seeing all the success stories that are coming out of my students. We're getting daily posts of people's success nowadays. So many people are making money, $1,788 from Tony Amari, which is a 15-year-old living in Kenya. Then we have Lethal. John's YouTube channel taught me enough to earn $1,000 profit by myself. Here's Sifredo LeBron. He started with Super Affiliate System. He's doing great, right? Super Affiliate System is my training program, which is step by step. It's going to be much faster to go through the Super Affiliate System because it's sequential and it's step by step stuff. And I have much more resources and software to help people out. He made $281. He's been making conversions and he got his first sales in affiliate marketing. Here's she, his first $45. Okay, Dad Starts YouTube's past 2 months did $20,000. We're getting so many success stories, $750 every single day. People are taking action. But again, if you're on a mobile phone watching this, there's almost 100% likelihood you're not going to end up taking any action. So my advice to you is watch these videos on a desktop computer, watch every second, take advantage of all the resources that I'm giving you here. There's no excuse not to get started. The only excuse not to get started is one that you've made up in your own head. And that idea probably came from society, from family, from the media, telling you that you can't do it. I also encourage you, there's a new breed of guru haters out there and stuff like that. Actually, I find some of the guru haters really interesting. Spencer Cornelia, I call them guru hunters. Spencer Cornelia runs a really good channel. He interviewed me, Authentic or Charlatan. But I suggest you watch some of his videos because he talks about actually legitimately interesting marketing concepts when he's trying to figure out if people are authentic or not. Also, in the chat, just say, yup, I'm a skeptic, or just say skeptic. Watch some of the skeptic channels. Watch some of the guys like CoffeeZilla or Spencer Cornelia, and actually look at their stuff. I have respect for them, and they bring up some good points, but obviously there are a lot of fake gurus in this space. There are a lot of fakers. So you do have to be aware of them. I am not one of the fakers. I hope you see all of the information I'm giving you is very legitimate, very helpful, and we have insane success stories from all the students. So make sure you join. The next step is join the Discord channel. Whether you're on a mobile phone or a laptop, anybody, go to the link in the description, join the Discord channel, join our community, and start getting involved. If you want to see some of the people that are making things happen, look in the success story area because it's really exciting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment of what is the most helpful so I can make my future videos around that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.